Hi, Ian Mayer-Marszalek here, Senior National Trainer for Schwarzkopf Professional USA. Today I want to talk about BLONDME Care and all of the things that it can provide you and your clients to maintain perfectly healthy hair from the time they're in the salon till the time they leave. So I'm going to show you a couple things, demos on the new violet shampoo that we've got versus the old. But most importantly, what I want to show you is the range, so I'll walk you through that. But I'm also going to walk you through our detoxifying range, which if you have the right toner situation, like mine's a little old, I need to remove it so that I can put a new toner on. I'm going to show you how our detoxifying range could potentially shift or budge an old toner to give you a clean canvas without having to bleach. So stay tuned. Here we have our All Blondes Rich retail size mask and back bar mask. Next to that are 2 liter sizes of the Rich conditioner and the Rich shampoo. And of course, retail size for our clients to maintain at home, all with, yes, look at that, 3D bond creation technology. This is our Rich range. Then we have our detoxifying range. There's a retail size shampoo, a specialized dedicated detoxifying retail size mask, back bar, those vitamin C shots, and then of course the All Blondes liter size detoxifying shampoo. This is our light leave-in spray conditioner. And of course our neutralizing range, which got quite the upgrade, so stay tuned. And then our Blonde Wonders, restoring balm and glaze mist. How do I use the detoxifying mask? Go ahead and mix up 25 grams of your detoxifying mask and 1 sachet of the vitamin C shot. Mix it up and apply. Here we have me shampooing my hair in my home kitchen sink because we're still at home. So use first the BLONDME Detox shampoo very well, rinse that out really well. And then what you'll do then is go ahead and apply the mixture of the 25 grams detoxifying mask and the sachet vitamin C shot. As you can see here, just mix it up, get it on, and then be sure to comb it through so you have a nice even distribution of the product throughout your head of hair. And then leave it to sit for about 15 minutes. On the left is our old neutralizing spray leave-in conditioner, and here you can see the new one, which has been upgraded to have better, more neutralizing effects. All right, this is a demonstration where we show the old, cool, neutralizing BLONDME shampoo versus the new. You can see the new has a lot more pigment, and side by side, the one on the right is a much better deal. All right, so you can see the detox mask is still there. I'm gonna rinse it out for you so you can see that there was no trickery, no bleach, no anything. Let's see. All right, a little towel dry. Okay, and it should be almost toner free. And there you have it. You can see the new cool spray leave-in conditioner from BLONDME. I mean, I almost don't need a toner now. All right, that was a mini walkthrough of the new BLONDME Care range and all of the things we've got. A few things to point out, we've got new liter size in our Rich All Blonde shampoo, a liter size, and a new dedicated mask for our detoxifying system, our light leave-in spray conditioner that now comes in a glass bottle, super fine mist, it's very light, smells amazing, and then of course our neutralizing range, and then last but not least, our Blonde Wonders, which has a restoring balm and a glaze mist. So literal, shine in a bottle and something to make blonde hair feel like silky butter. So hope you'll enjoy the line. If you're looking for more education on the BLONDME Care range, visit our Schwarzkopf Professional USA YouTube page or our www.ask-elearning.com for more information. Thanks for joining today.